What time do you wake up?
At 6:30 a.m.
Do you use an alarm?
Yes, I do.
How many alarms?
3 alarms.
Do you wake up easily?
No, I don't.
What do you do first?
I check my phone.
Do you make your bed?
Yes, every morning.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, I do.
Hot or cold water?
Hot water.
How long is your shower?
10 minutes.
Do you wash your hair?
Every other day.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, always.
How many times a day?
Twice a day.
Do you wear makeup?
Yes, a little.
How long does it take?
15 minutes.
Do you choose clothes the night before?
Sometimes, yes.
What do you wear to work?
Business casual.
Do you iron your clothes?
Only shirts.
Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, 1 glass.
How long does your routine take?
About 1 hour.
Are you usually rushed?
Yes.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every day.
What time?
At 7 a.m.
What do you eat?
Toast and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
How many cups?
2 cups.
With milk or sugar?
Just milk.
Do you eat fruit?
Yes, a banana.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, 1 multivitamin.
Do you eat alone?
No, with family.
Do you watch TV?
No, we talk.
Do you read the news?
Yes, on my phone.
How long is breakfast?
20 minutes.
Do you ever skip breakfast?
No, never.
Why not?
It's very important.
Do you cook breakfast yourself?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite breakfast?
Pancakes.
When do you eat pancakes?
On weekends.
Do you clean up after?
Yes, I wash dishes.
Do you pack lunch during breakfast?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you pack?
Sandwich and fruit.
What time do you leave home?
At 8 a.m.
How do you get to work?
By bus.
How far is work?
10 miles away.
How long is the commute?
30 minutes.
Is traffic bad?
Yes, very bad.
Do you drive?
No, I don't.
Why not?
No parking at work.
How much is the bus?
$2.50.
Do you have a pass?
Yes, a monthly pass.
How much is that?
80 die.
Is the bus crowded?
Yes, always.
Do you get a seat?
Sometimes, not always.
What do you do on the bus?
Listen to music.
Do you read?
No, too crowded.
Do you check emails?
Yes, work emails.
Is the bus on time?
Usually, yes.
What if you miss it?
I take the next one.
How often do buses come?
Every 15 minutes.
Do you ever walk?
When it's nice weather?
Do you arrive on time?
Yes, usually early.
What time does work start?
At 9 a.m.
Where do you work?
In an office.
What's your job?
I am an accountant.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
How many people work there?
About 50 people.
Do you have your own office?
No, a cubicle.
What's the first thing you do?
Check my emails.
How many emails?
About 20.
Do you have meetings?
Yes, every Monday.
How long are meetings?
1 hour.
Do you like meetings?
Not really.
Why not?
They're too long.
Do you work on a computer?
Yes, all day.
What programs do you use?
Excel and email.
Is your boss nice?
Yes, very nice.
Do you have deadlines?
Yes, many.
Is work stressful?
Sometimes yes.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, short breaks.
How many breaks?
2 or 3.
What do you do on breaks?
Get coffee.
What time is life?
Lunch at 12:30 p.m.
How long is lunch?
1 hour.
How long is lunch?
1 hour.
Where do you eat?
In the cafeteria.
Do you bring lunch?
Yes, most days.
What do you bring?
Salad or sandwich.
Do you ever buy lunch?
Yes, on Fridays.
Where do you buy it?
At nearby restaurants.
How much does it cost?
About $10.
Is that expensive?
Yes, a bit.
Do you eat alone?
No, with coworkers.
How many coworkers?
3 or 4.
What do you talk about?
Work and life.
Do you leave the building?
Sometimes for fresh air.
Do you take a walk?
Yes, a short walk.
How long?
10 minutes.
Do you drink coffee after lunch?
Yes, always.
Why?
To stay awake.
Do you feel sleepy after lunch?
Yes, very sleepy.
What helps you wake up?
Coffee and walking.
Do you look forward to lunch?
Yes, definitely.
What do you do after lunch?
Continue working.
Is the afternoon busy?
Yes, very busy.
What tasks do you do?
Reports and emails.
Do you have calls?
Yes, several.
With who?
Clients and colleagues.
Are the calls long?
About 30 minutes.
Do you take notes?
Yes, always.
Where do you write notes?
In my notebook.
Do you use a calendar?
Yes, on my computer.
Is it organized?
Yes, very organized.
What time do you feel tired?
Around 3 p.m.
Do you take a break?
Yes, a short one.
What do you do?
Stretch and walk.
Do you snack?
Yes, some nuts.
Do you drink water?
Yes, lots of water.